Alright everyone, welcome back to my channel, to my few subscribers, my dedicated few subscribers. We have a pretty big opening today. We have, if I can just move these over, we have 28 packs of Evolving Skies, aka Evolving Cries, aka How to Lose Your Money, aka the hit rates are terrible. Anyways, nothing else much to say. I actually planned to do a little reveal of my card I sent to BGS. It was supposed to arrive today, and I have never ever felt you snooze, you lose more than today. The FedEx delivery driver literally knocked on my door one time, and I woke up, went to put on pants, and to my surprise, the driver was gone. So, I literally snoozed and I lost. So, my BGS reveal for my Umbreon card will have to wait, and yeah, let's just go right into it. We got 28 packs of Evolving Skies. This is a 100% guarantee to lose money. Not only lose money, but not get any hits. So we're gonna find out on this first pack if it is a the later reprint or the first run at Evolving Skies based on the code card. Oh, okay. So that's a good sign. It's a green code card, so we're not going to pull anything, but it is a sign that it is the first run at Evolving Skies. Alright, let's get it. So, in my last video, I kind of said where I got these packs from. So I live near a Pokemon Center kiosk, and there were 28 loose packs in those kiosks, or you can also call them a vending machine. And yeah, I bought them all out. Okay, white code card. White code card. Let's pull something good besides a hollow. Wait, where's the card? Oh, it's stuck. Oh! Oh! First hit of the day. We got a Jolteon VMAX. I will take that. Alright. So, the reality is, I'm more than likely not gonna pull a lot of cards from this opening, but there is a slim chance, and as an avid collector, you got to take that chance, right? So let's manifest our energy and pull something good. So we're not gonna even look at the code card, what kind of code card we got. We're gonna go right into it. Oh, and we got another hit. We got a VMAX of Lycanroc. Alright, 2 VMAX pulls. Take it, I take it. It would be so crazy if we pull alt art. I have never pulled an alt art from Evolving Skies. The best hit I got from Evolving Skies was a full art. I think I had a full art Flareon and a full art Leafeon as my best Evolving Skies pulls. No, I take that back. I actually had 2 gold card pulls. One was a Crystal Cave, and one was a Inteleon gold full art. Yeah. So let's hope to change that today. Let me adjust my camera and pan down a little bit. little bit off. Alright, I think we're 4 packs down, so we're 1/7 the way there. Let's get something here. We're gonna pull Alt Tart for the very first time. Not here. Rayquaza packs. So, if you hear somebody talking to me, that's probably my parents. Sorry. Can't edit it out since I'm live right now, so it is what it is. Alright, do we got a pull here? It's just a regular V. But we got a evolution though. Alright, had a little hiccup. I think I ran out of memory on my phone, so we're gonna cruise along. I'm gonna have to edit this. Let's keep it rolling. So far we have a Lycanroc VMAX, Jolteon VMAX, and a Sylveon V. And I am also worried that we're gonna have to run into the same issue, so we may or may not have a good opening. It may shut up on me at some point, which is very, very disappointing because this also happened to me during my Scarlet and Violet booster box opening, which is why I wasn't able to post it. So, at least for this one, I may or may not be able to salvage the videos. If not, it is what it is. Alright, so we are opening a lot of dud packs right now. And I believe there's another one. Fly, yeah. Alright. I think we're about getting halfway there, so realistically, those 3 back there may be the only pulls that we get. We got a Hollow Ludicolo. Look at this happy guy. Alright. Evolving Cries, as they call it. It's living up to its name. And we don't have a hit. Uh-oh. Getting low on packs now. Alright, we got a white code card. Let's get a hit. No hit here again. Just a hollow. Oh man, loose packs are not the way to go. We started off really strong, and now we're faltering. Oh man. Oh, okay. We got, I guess, another hit. We got a Noihorn V. Four hits, none of them which are fantastic, excellent, amazing. Oh man. You know, I was not expecting much from these, but still, it's a little bit disappointing to not get anything. If I'm being real. But yeah, here it is, everyone. Evolving Skies. Do not open Evolving Skies. You will just cry. Like I am crying right now. But yeah, that's no choice. We're already in past the point of no return. Only 6 packs to go? 9? Oh wait, we have 9 packs. Oh, another hollow. This has been a very rough opening. Can we pull something? An alt-art would be amazing. But I will say, all it takes is 1 pack. So here's to hoping. Oh, I want to say that's a silver border, but I could be lying. I could be lying. I could be joking. I don't want to get my hopes up. C-Dot, Lillipup, Bagon, Litleo, Loted, Fletchinder. No, it's not. It's not a silver border. It's not an alt art. It's not. There's no way. 177? It's a full art. Oh, it's just a full art. Man, my heart's pounding right now because I thought we pulled the very first alt art of our evolving Cries journey. Oh man. Alright. I ran out of space again, so I offloaded some unused apps and it cleared a bunch of space. So, note to self, do that before you start recording some awesome products. It's alright. Growing pains, everyone. Growing pains. So I'm gonna have to stitch these 3 videos together, unfortunately. But we have 6, 7, 8 packs remaining. That is an ETB. Let's see what we can do with these. Oh, it's a hollow, just a hollow. I'm getting real nervous if that's all we pull from 28 packs. To be honest, a booster box was not any much better because the booster box I opened back then had maybe a Rayquaza VMAX as the best pull, so it's just another hollow, right you? Okay, 6 packs to go. 6 packs to go. What shall we do? I don't even want to look at the code card. I don't know what to think right now. And it's not something good unless nothing. Alright. Surely there is an alternate art in here, right? Like specifically like Rayquaza VMAX or I don't know. It's stuck again. Stuck. Ah, it's another full art? It's another full art? Oh, we did pull something? I want to say it's a full art. Litleo, Eevee, Cutiefly, Hitmonchan, Loted. So I think it's another full art. I'm pretty sure it's another full art. 3, 2, 1. Ah, it is another full art. It's just a Noivern full art. Oh my gosh. You see silver borders and you just your heart stops. Your heart stops. Alright. We are down to 3 packs. Let's save Rayquaza last because, you know, Rayquaza. So, 3 packs. We're not gonna look at the code card. We're just gonna see what what the Poke Gods decide to give us. Oh, yo, there's a gold card. I can't talk. I can't talk. Ah, it's a gold card. What is it? Oh, boost shake. Boost shake. Boost shake. Boost shake. Boost shake. Well, this has been an awesome opening. We have 2 full arts, 2 B maxes, 2 Bs, and a gold card. Can we get something else from 28 loose packs of Evolving Skies? Let's find out. No, we cannot. It's a holo. It's a holo. Oh, Rayquaza. Rayquaza. Help me out here. Help me out here, buddy. Help me out here. I don't know. I don't think I saw anything. Nothing shined. There was no shine. There was no shine. Dud to finish it out. Oh man. Oh man. We had 2 silver border scares right there. Oh, alright. Well, here's a little recap. We did pull a gold card. We got the boost shake. And I mean, it's cool. The gold card's cool. We got 2 full arts. Noivern V, Jolteon V. We got the Jolteon V Max. We got the Sylveon V, Noivern V, and a Lycanroc V Max. So, all in all, out of 28 packs, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, out of 28 loose packs, we actually got a 25% hit rate, which is honestly pretty good, considering that they're loose packs. You know, nothing was guaranteed. Alright, well, thank you everyone for watching. I guess the next time I will upload something will be the BGS graded Umbreon VMAX card. And possibly something else, just because I might get, you know, an itch to open something. But I will try to hold off until Obsidian Flames drops. Till then, see you next time.